This is Purple Paisley Planner. So did everyone get in on the Prime Day on July 15th and 16th? I know I did. And this is one of the items that I got from Prime Day. It was half off the regular price. That is a steal. So I'm doing an unboxing, which I already took off my address and everything. So I'm doing the unboxing on this, and I just wanted to show everyone what I got. So here we go. I'm just really excited about this. So I'm going to take this. Ooh. I'm excited. Take this. Look it! That's what I got. The Echo Show. Can you see that? The Echo Show is what I got. So, let's go ahead and get this out. I'm really excited about this. I always wanted one of these, the Echo Show. So, yes. So, I'm going to do a review and an unboxing, which I'm so excited about. So, let's go here. It's 16th Prime Day. So, I already took it out the box and I unboxed it. And I set it up to my network, which is so easy to do. Like, they have the instructions and everything laid out in here, so it's totally really easy, and I'm loving it. And I'm mainly using it in my craft room because, like, when I'm doing my plan with me or when I'm crafting, I needed something that I could see in front of me. And see, this does so much. It's a compact Echo 5.5 screen. It has the far field voice control. It has the Bluetooth, I'm not going to say that word because mine's just going to go off over here. It has Wi-Fi, audio line out, and built-in camera cover. And it does so much. What I like the most about this is you could do hand-free video calling and messaging. So I think that's neat. It also controls your smart home, made to fit your life. And Alexa could show you things, and it's just amazing to have this. You could sync it up to your music library. Like I have my iMusic, my Apple Music. I got Sirius XM, Prime Video. You could do your Hue lights, your Ring, your Skype, you know, your security system, Spotify, Audible, and Amazon Music. So this is really, really truly amazing, and you can't beat the price because it was half off on Prime Day. I mean, half off on Prime Day. And look at it, it's just amazing. And you got this cameras thing, so it turns your camera off and on, so it goes off and on. See, off and on, so it lets you know it's on and lets you know when it's off. It has a good clock. It got good visual on here. So the orange means, or the red or the orange, is letting you know that the camera is off. And these are your connectors right here in the back. Your volume up and down, and your mute. Isn't it? It keeps you updated with the news and everything. Isn't this nice? You can set up your alarm. It's got speakers. This is really nice. I just really, really like this. I mean, you could not beat the price for half off. It was half off. Skills are like apps for, you know what. It's gonna fit just right on my in my station right here when I'm crafting, doing plan with me, when I need to do a conference call or a phone call or a video call, I can, and keep updated with the sports news and everything. You just couldn't, and look at that big old time right there. You just cannot beat that. And it's got the temperature, the day, the date. you could change the background. You could change the background, and I'm just loving this. You cannot beat the price. It was half off. So, I think it was $90 and it was half off. You cannot beat that price. Trending topics. It keeps you updated with the trending topics. I just love that. So what did you get on Prime Day? This is just one item that I got on Prime Day. But what did you get? Leave a comment below. Prime Day was the 15th. The last day was yesterday, the 16th. I'm just happy I grabbed this. I am just so happy. I think I got all my family members' echoes. And I'm just happy. I'm just happy about it. If you like what you see, hit the red button. You can click the notification bell so you know when I'm on live. You can also... So this is my screen on my Alexa. And she's going to hear my name or hear her name when I say it. But let me give you an example. Alexa, play R&B music on Pandora.
Break of Dawn R&B radio from Pandora.
Alexa, stop. Isn't that neat? Let's see. Alexa, play 90s music on Pandora.
90s comedy radio from Pandora.
Alexa, stop. So it's got some little bit of glitches. I didn't want comedy, but I want to listen to some R&B. So it played that, or I could play like, Alexa, play Carrie Underwood on Pandora.
Carrie Underwood radio from Pandora.
Alexa, stop. See, isn't that neat? Let me try something. Alexa, play Bruno Mars on Pandora.
Bruno Mars radio from Pandora.
See? I just think it's neat. Alexa, stop. Let's see. Alexa, play Lion King on Pandora.
The Lion King, original Broadway cast, radio from Pandora.
Alexa, stop. So it could play any kind of music. Alexa, play Motown music on Pandora.
Motown radio from Pandora.
Alexa, stop. See, isn't that neat? So yeah, Alexa, play Diana Ross on Pandora.
Diana Ross radio from Pandora.
This is the jam. Alexa, stop. So you got so many variety of music that you could play. And you don't have to just play Pandora. You could play Sirius XM. You could play Spotify. You could play Amazon Music. You could play Apple Music. Any kind of music you want to listen to, you could set it up on your Amazon. So I just wanted to show this feature also.